Today we're making these rich, chocolatey keto nut clusters, a quick, no-bake treat that's low-carb, packed with healthy fats, and absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, I am going to prepare 2 cups of crushed mixed nuts. I am using 1/3 of almonds, 1/3 of walnuts, and 1/3 of pecans, but you can use whatever you want. Then, in a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup sugar-free chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of almond butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, then microwave in 30-second intervals until fully melted, stirring each time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a good stir until smooth and glossy. And you can add a pinch of sea salt to balance the sweetness. But this is optional. Then add your chopped nuts and mix everything well. Fill silicone muffin liners with 1 tablespoon mixture each. Then cool them in the fridge until completely chilled, about 1 to 2 hours. Once set, remove from the liners and store in an airtight container in the fridge. And there you have it, rich, nutty, and keto-friendly nut clusters ready in minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy keto treats, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. See you in the next one.